Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your paper in MLA format, updated. Start by setting 1-inch margins, 12-point font, and double spacing across the document. Add a header with your last name and page number in the top right. Include a left-aligned heading with your name, instructor, course, and date. Use a centered title without bold or underline. I will walk through each step so you can format confidently. Create a left-aligned heading with your name, instructor, course, and date on the first page. Center the title on the next line using standard capitalization and no special formatting. Start the first paragraph one double-spaced line below the title, indenting the first line by 1/2 inch. Maintain consistent spacing and alignment through the document. I'll guide you through small details that prevent common formatting mistakes and improve readability. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying between study sessions effortless and oddly satisfying, especially after long writing marathons. It's a small shift that saves time for formatting and revisions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When quoting or paraphrasing, add parenthetical in-text citations with the author's last name and page number if present. Create a separate works cited page with the title centered and no extra formatting. List entries alphabetically and use a hanging indent for each citation. Include publisher, publication medium, and any relevant identifiers. I'll show examples of common sources so you can format books, articles, and websites correctly and avoid citation errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.